Today, we're diving into the future of video creation with a super exciting showdown, Sora AI versus Google Veo 3. Which one is about to unlock your ultimate creative potential? Sora AI 2. From OpenAI. Has been making waves with its unbelievably realistic and complex scenes generated from simple text prompts. We're talking intricate details, dynamic camera movements, and an incredible understanding of physics. It's like having a Hollywood studio in your pocket, but then Google swoops in with Veo 3, Veo. Known for its stunning cinematic quality and exceptional motion control, promises to transform your ideas into breathtaking visuals with ease. It's designed to give creators more intuitive control, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. So, who reigns supreme? Both are revolutionizing how we create. Offering unique strengths that cater to different creative needs, Sora often amazes with its raw, imaginative power, while Veo shines with its polished, controlled cinematic output. Ultimately, the best one depends on your vision. What an exciting time to be a creator. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about trying. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.